Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful hat is. It's a Yoruba hat. When it comes to Ghana here, we call it a dangoba hat. Once I tell you, I say we Yoruba and I say oh yeah, dangoba needs watch. Very simple. I really enjoy this hat. I really enjoy this hat. When I wear it, it's like hey, I'm on the moon. It's very easy to do it. Very simple. I'm gonna go details. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hiding. So let's get started. Into the material, on your material, and when you get your material, you measure 12 inches. You measure 12 inches. Or measure 12 inches. We have measure 12 inches. When you measure your 12 inches by 9 inches, no measure on 9 inches. And nobody depending how long you want it. It's going to depend how long you want it to be. If you want it to be longer, you measure is like a 10 or 11. I'm marking mine 9 inches, so it's going to be 12 inches by 9 inches or 12 inches by 8 inches. It's going to depend how long you want your hat to be. So these are the patterns. This is what we're going to use right now. Whenever you should. So I'm going to do that on top like that. I'm going to do that 2 inches from the top. I see 2 inches if I'm marking it 2 inches. Then I'm going to do that 2 inches from that part as well. And I'm starting 2 inches is a full. So what you see. So I'm going to draw a line, a curved line like this to join it to the other angle. So it's going to be something like this. So you cut it off. Right through. So this is the most important thing for the hat. We need to use. So like this, we're gonna cut the same thing 3 times. A bit we have 3 times. Until the batoso. All you gotta do is just have to put it on the fabric and you trace it up. You just cut it out 3 times. So after that, you just have to join them together. Have you seen how I've arranged it? You take the wrong side, and you just sew it together, just like that. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is. Hey, man, if you subscribe, subscribe what it. The way I had here, hey, Ghana for your idea, you been take a. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is. So after joining them together, then you bring the other parts and join them, the other one as well, to form a circle like a circle. Now if it was a that kind of boom. Now I say a circle this So you join the other ones together like that. So it's going to be something like this. Now it's something like that. So let's go to the board. Then create a table also. Or never create one. So all you need, we need your circumference of your head. Your circumference, mine is 22. You're going to divide it by 2. That will give you 11. Into tino omeja no, rana no, unya 22 no achim. Dobenya bia no chim. Whatever the circumference of your head, you divide it by 2, then you add ½ inch to it for the sewing allowance. Into tino rana no, omeja no, the unya no achim. Say 20 uchim minua. Amount 10, not half as also. I know baby a palm no. So this is what we're gonna use right now. So for the stiff, this is the stiff. I measure 3.5. Measure 3.5. Then you iron it. My facing was very hard. The hardest one. I'm using the hardest facing one. I was supposed to give it a time for it to stick, so it's like I was in a rush, so it's not giving it time to stick on the fabric. So you just have to take your time and just put your iron on it like some minutes and let it stick on the fabric. I got some material. No. Me use stiff name word, stiff name word, stiff the dindini, and I'm used to it. the hardest facing, the hardest one. That's what I'm using right now. So this is the lining in here inside. You cut the same thing, but the lining have to be ½ inch shorter than the main fabric. Lining is short. The 9 inches now we'll try. If your length of your hat is 9 inches, so the line is supposed to be 8.5. So lining on the 9 inches, I say what have 9, 8.5. The same thing, the same measurement. So after joining together, so when we say my joining, my palm off, as you can see, I've sewed that part. I'm gonna iron it and I'm gonna shift it up, push it up like ½ inch, so that I'll trim the half off. That's what I normally do. A pin lining up a sort of kakara. I have pushed the lining up ½ inch up, as you can see, so that the lining won't show. And it's another lining in P. You will not see the lining. So after that, I trim the rest off. I feel lining I can. I'm trimming it off everywhere. When we will be subscribe, as you can see how it is. So when like this, you open it like this, maybe making out, then we sew this part, not join a boom. The circumference of the hair is divided by 2. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you will be updated. I'm blending in with English and Tree. I hope you are getting it. The other my brothers and sisters, who don't understand the English properly, they too can, do something. Say yeah, never yeah. Oh, Jonah, no be. Matter of fact, this video I did it last year video, so I'm now posting it. So you saw around it. I did this video last year, so I guess this is the time for me to post it. So I'm trying it up on my head. I may try now me to show here there. So maybe I alright. Let me try. So now we are going to do the top one. I'm trying it up. We are going to do the top one. So the top one, the circumference of your head will turn around now. Now you divide it by 6.28. Obanya round now. O circumference will turn out majayano. Obe divided by 6.28. Into divided by 6.28. Now if we do something like this, I said the whole full flare. Like we are doing full flare, a full skirt. Then when you divide it, whatever you get, then you just use it for your circle. This will give you a perfect circle. Then I'll put it on there like this. I'm not to see. Then I'll sew around it before I trim it off. I'll sew around it. So after that, I also sew around it. Then you fix it. You make a notch at the center. You check this one too. You make a notch. Then you go around it. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It is what it is. We are no Johnny, and no why TV. Why Yoruba fortune, and I said the Goma fortune. Unya fugu material no kwa bati ndaye. No that yet. Video me na last year video 2020. Basi afya na me posting. You have to take your time. It's a circle, so you have to take your time going around it. So as you can see, we're done. Maybe a channel for movie. We have formed the Yoruba hat or the dangoba hat. We have finished it up. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, well done. As you can see how beautiful it looks like. Now let me try it on and see how it looks like.